Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Companion. Today let's learn about verb. What is verb? The verbs are the words that describes action. For example, she is eating yogurt. Dog is fighting with the cat. Mother is washing cloth. Father is watching TV. Eating, fighting, washing, watching, cooking, talking, walking, running are the verbs. I think you all guys understand something about verb. All understand about verbs? Comment me a action word in a comment box.